Look at all those crusty bits in that cast iron. I'll give her a quick rinse and then we'll get cleaning.
I just got some hot water in the cup, fine shop towel, and just run her around in there. You can tell by feel that this is working. I can already tell that it's all gone. I don't feel any bumps as I'm pushing that around. So if you do have something that you know is going to be pretty sticky, you can use my trick in that other video of a stiff bristled brush. That's all I ever use. I've had them chain things, and I had the different items that you can get and use. So I'm going to run this over to the sink and rinse it out, and I'll bring it back and give you a look-see and show you what it looks like. Now I will take a little bit of time. I like to put a couple drops of dish soap, clean it good so any of that oil that splashed out's not getting down on the edges. Because you let that oil come over these edges and build up, that's when you see them ones in the thrift store. It's got that big crusty deal around the edge. That's what it's from. That's why I use soap.
After you dried it on the stove, a little bit of oil, rub it in with that shop towel. Works great every time, and don't forget the handles and the outside.
So that's it. Pretty simple. We got her done. We got her cleaned up. Easy cleanup. That's why I love cast iron. You can do a majority of things in just one pan. So with that, as always, I appreciate you watching. Hopefully you're picking up some stuff from this guy that's been cooking 50 years. And you all have a terrific day. We'll see you on the next one.